Hi, good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I'm good. I feel excited today. Really? Why are you excited? I want to play pickleball this afternoon. That sounds fun. I want to play too. Great, but I need a new pickleball paddle first. Me too. I also need some sports clothes. Then let's go shopping together. Good idea. Where should we go? There is a sports store near the mall. Oh yes, I know that place. They sell paddles, balls, shirts, shorts, and shoes. Perfect. Let's go there this morning. Do you want to drive or walk? Let's drive. It will be faster. Okay, we can leave now. Wait a minute. I need my bag. Sure, take your time. Okay, I'm ready now. Great. Let's go. The two friends are excited. They want to buy what they need before going to the pickleball court. First, they go to the sports store. On the way to the store. The weather is nice today. Yes, it's sunny but not too hot. That is perfect for pickleball. I agree. Do you play often? Not very often. I'm still learning. Me too. I'm a beginner. That makes me feel better. Don't worry, we can practice together. Thanks. Are your friends coming too? Yes, two friends will meet us at the courts. Nice. Then there will be 4 people. Yes. 2 people on each side. That will be fun. We can play doubles. I like that. It feels less stressful. Yes, and it is more social too. I also want to learn the basic rules today. We can do that. The game is easy to start. Good. I just want to enjoy it. That's the best way to learn. We're here already. That was quick. Yes, let's go inside. At the sports store. Wow, this store has many paddles. Yes, there are so many choices. I don't know which one to buy. Let's look slowly. This black paddle looks nice. Yes, it does. Pick it up. How does it feel? It feels light. I like that. Light is good for beginners. What about this blue one? That one looks nice too. This one is a little heavier. Do you like a heavier paddle? I'm not sure. Maybe not. Then the lighter one may be better. I think you're right. Look at the grip too. Is it comfortable? Let me see. Yes, the grip feels good in my hand. That's important. What kind of paddle do you want? I want something light and easy to control. Try this white paddle. Oh, this one feels really nice. It looks good too. Yes, and I like the handle. Then maybe that is the one for you. I think so. Should we buy some pickleballs too? Yes, that's a good idea. Here are the indoor balls, and here are the outdoor balls. We are playing outside, right? Yes, at the outdoor courts. Then we need outdoor balls. Let's get 1 pack. Good idea. Do you need a bag for your paddle? Maybe later, not today. Okay, I think I only need the paddle and balls. Same for me. Wait, let's check the prices. This one is not too expensive. Good. I want something simple and affordable. Me too. Okay, I'm ready to buy mine. Me too. But first, let's go look at clothes. They both found paddles they like. Now they want to find comfortable clothes for the game. Choosing clothes. I need a new sports shirt. I need shorts and maybe a new cap. This section looks good. Yes, there are many simple styles here. I like this white shirt. That color looks fresh. And it feels soft too. Is it your size? I think so. I should try it on. Good idea. What do you think about these black shorts? They look comfortable. Yes, and they are light. That is good for moving on the court. Exactly. I found these navy shorts. They look nice. I want something simple. Those are simple and clean. I also need a shirt. How about this gray one? Yes, I like the color. It matches the shorts. Great, I think I'll get both. Are you getting a cap too? Maybe this white cap. It looks sporty, and it will help in the sun. Then get it. I'm back from the fitting room. How was it? The shirt fits well, but the shorts are a little big. Then try one size smaller. Yes, I will. I think I'm okay with my clothes. That's good. Do you need shoes? Not today. My shoes are okay. Same here. Okay, now the shorts fit better. Nice, you look ready to play. Thanks, you do too. Let's pay and go. Yes, I'm getting hungry too. We can grab a quick drink before the game. Good plan. I'm happy with what I bought. Me too. My paddle feels light and comfortable. Mine does too. I'm excited to try it. Your new shirt looks great. Thank you. Your outfit looks good too. Thanks. Should we go straight to the court now? Yes, but let's stop for water first. Good idea. We should stay hydrated. Exactly. I'll get water and a small snack. I'll do the same. I don't want to feel heavy while playing. Me neither. Something light is best. I'm really glad we decided to do this today. Me too. It feels like a fun day already. Yes, and I can practice my English with you too. That's true. We can learn and play. The best combination. Okay, let's head to the courts. Let's go. Now they have everything they need. They bought paddles, clothes, and drinks. Next, they go to the outdoor pickleball courts to meet their friends. The courts look busy today. Yes, but I can see our friends over there. Oh yes, I see them now. Let's go say hello. Okay. Our friends are already warming up. That's good. There are 4 people now, including us. Perfect. 2 people on each side. Yes, that's exactly what we need. I'm a little nervous. Don't worry, we are just here to have fun. You're right. Let's stretch a little first. Good idea. Roll your shoulders. Like this? Yes, that's good. My legs feel a little tight. Then stretch your legs too. Okay. Do you want to hit a few practice shots? Yes, please. That will help me relax. Here, toss me a ball. Ready? Ready. Nice shot. Thanks. Your turn. Oh, that felt good. Yes, you're doing great already. Thanks for saying that. Before the game starts, do you remember the basic rules? A little, but not all of them. That's okay. We can keep it simple. Please explain again. First, we serve underhand. Okay, underhand serve. Then the ball has to bounce once on each side at the beginning. Right, I remember that rule. After that, we can volley or hit after the bounce. Okay. Also, there is the kitchen area near the net. Yes, I know that part is important. We should not stand in there and volley. Got it. But don't worry too much. Just watch the ball and enjoy the game. That helps. Thank you. Do you want to be my partner? Yes, of course. Great. We'll be on one side. And our 2 friends will be on the other side. Exactly. Okay, now I'm ready. Let's have fun and do our best. Yes, let's do it. I'll serve first. Okay, take your time. Here we go. Nice serve. Thanks.
Get ready.
I'm ready. Good return from them. I'll take this one. Great shot. Thanks. Watch the middle. Okay. Nice. We got the point. Yes, that feels good. You're playing really well. I'm trying my best. That's enough. Should I stand a little closer? Yes, a little closer to the kitchen line. Okay. Like this? Yes, perfect. Oh no, I hit it too high. That's okay, it happens. I need more control. Yes, softer shots can help. I'll try that next time. Good idea. Your serve now. Okay, I'm a little nervous. Just keep it simple. Here goes. Nice, it went in. Really? Good. Yes, now stay ready. I am. Nice return. Thank you. I'll take the next ball. Great save. We're working well together. Yes, we are. I understand the game better now. See, you learn quickly. It's easier when I actually play. That's true for many things, including English. Exactly. Practice helps. I like that. Ready for the next point? Ready. Nice shot down the line. Thanks. I didn't expect that. It was a great shot. I'm having so much fun. Me too. Even when I miss, I still enjoy it. That's the right attitude. Thanks. We should play again next week. Yes, definitely. Short break between games. I need some water. Me too. That game was fun. I'm sweating a lot. Same here. But I feel great. That's the power of exercise. And good company. True. Thanks for inviting me today. I'm glad you came. I was nervous at first. And now? Now I feel more confident. That's wonderful. I think buying the right paddle helped too. Yes, comfort makes a difference. And I like my new clothes. They look great, and you move well in them. Thank you. Ready for one more game? Yes, let's do one more. Great.
That was a great game. Yes, it really was. I had so much fun today. Me too. You improved a lot in one day. Really? Yes, your serve got better and your shots were more controlled. That makes me happy. You should be proud. Thank you. You were a great partner. Thanks. We worked well as a team. We should do this again soon. I agree. Next time, maybe I'll bring snacks too. That sounds perfect. And maybe we can invite more friends. Yes, that would be fun. I'm glad we went shopping this morning. Me too. It was a good plan from start to finish. Paddle, clothes, friends, and a game. A very good day. Yes, a very good day. That was a simple English conversation about buying a pickleball paddle, shopping for clothes, and playing pickleball with friends. This kind of real-life English is useful for daily conversation. Try to repeat the easy lines and practice them many times. The more you listen, the more confident you will feel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next English conversation video.